I'm outside and my dog is right here. I'm in my sister's room because the dogs wouldn't leave me alone. I don't know, I can't go outside, so I'm just gonna film in here, and I can't go in my room because all of my sisters are in my room. So today's video is going to be a what I eat in the day because I don't know, I just wanted to do it, and this is genuinely what I eat in a day. Like, I know it seems kind of ridiculous and some people might judge or unsubscribe, but whatever. This is genuinely what I eat in a day. I don't know, it's just a habit I've come to, and it's just really good and I like it. So it's not like I'm forcing myself to eat these foods. I actually like these foods. Judge me, whatever, it's fine. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is genuinely what I eat in a day, and I'm not just like eating it for the video. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I eat in a day, keep watching so you can see all the stuff. For breakfast, I eat oatmeal with a lot of cinnamon in it and no sugar because I don't really think it's necessary. And I just fill it with water, and I just do it with one banana all sliced up. So after breakfast, about 30 minutes later, I will drink apple cider vinegar, and I also take apple cider vinegar at night. I just didn't show me filming it, but I take apple cider vinegar 2 times a day, and it's the most disgusting thing you will ever do in your existence. This is the most disgusting thing, and I'm always stalling for 30 minutes. I'm sorry, these are like my other glasses, so these are kind of ratchet, but I'm sorry you can hear the music. This stuff tastes so disgusting, and it's hard for me to drink. Apple cider vinegar with the mother. I just started taking this. It's only been like 3 or 4 days, and it's been helping. And I'll list the benefits below, like what it's done for me at least. I actually need some water. What happened, Sonia? What happened?
Nothing.
So I'm actually going to do this. I'm not going to stall for a million years. What I usually like to do is eat something right after. Like, I don't care if it's like one chip. I just do that, and it helps. It's better than drinking the water right after because the water just makes it burn more. Okay. Literally my heart is like it's so gross. I have to do this every morning, just not because like I have to, but because I want to. You don't have to do this, I just choose to because I think it's better for me. So disgusting. It never gets better. I've taken it 6 times. Once, for the first time, was because I was like a freaking marshmallow, and my mom was like, take some apple cider vinegar, and I was like, ew, and I did it. I recorded the first time on camera. I'm sorry, I was really ratchet. I'm always ratchet. So at around like 1 or 2, I will drink some green tea and have a snack that is carrots and hummus. I usually eat apples with peanut butter, but we didn't have any apples, so I just ate carrots and hummus, which is also really good. Okay, so when I make dinner, I just have 1 cup. I make 1 cup of brown rice, and I eat half a cup of brown rice. And then my mom makes chicken that she cuts 1 breast in half. And my family had like fettuccine with salad and a bunch of garlic bread with cheese. I don't really know. But my mom made this really funny joke, and she said #moose. It was like the best thing ever, and I was like dying on the floor. 6, I will eat dinner, and what I basically eat is just some vegetables. Like today I ate Brussels sprouts, wow, brown rice, chicken, and I just eat half of a breast because my mom like fillets them. So I ate half of one, or I'll eat two depending on how hungry I am. Put sriracha on top with green onions and like this marinade stuff. It's like honey teriyaki, which is really good. 8 or 9, I will eat a tiny snack, and today I just ate boom chicka pop. At around like 10 or 11, because it's summer, I just drink some more green tea. You know, just 2 in the morning and making a grilled cheese.
Oh, yeah, my chin is down? Go.
No.
Go.
But I just brushed my teeth.
Just go.
Have fun. Wow. Ew. That was disgusting. Like,
Was it horrific?
my mouth feels like weird. Ew. So if you guys enjoyed that video of what I ate in a day, and I'm sorry I kind of look like a butt. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do what you want to do, and remember, everything happens for a reason. Bye. Her room is like a mess, but we're not going to talk about it. Anyways, so this is a shirt that I got at Walmart. It was literally $3, and I was like, I have to get it. It says everything happens for a reason, and I was like, yes, like, because it's so beautiful, and it's literally what I say in all my videos. I'm very sorry about her mess. We're just not going to talk about it. But hey.